Lesson 3, the approach. In the previous lesson, we saw that Arabic letters can be arranged in different ways. In this series, we will follow a structured approach. We will be using an adapted reverse makhraj order. That means the sequence is based on how letters are pronounced, but arranged in a way that makes learning easier. And instead of learning many letters at once, we will take them one at a time. From the next lesson onwards, we will learn one letter per day. Slowly, clearly, step by step. This is how reading becomes easy. In the next lesson, we will begin with our first letter. Take your time and we will build this together.